Hi there, this is Viren and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to be discussing the differences between a product manager and a project manager. A lot of times these two roles are confused to be the same. I believe this is typically because in a lot of companies, product managers assume the role of a project manager as well. But these two are quite different roles, and in this video, we're going to explore why. Let us first begin by discussing the role of a product manager, which is basically to be responsible for a product. The successes and the failure of the product is the success or failure of the product manager. This is essentially defined by either some metrics or KPIs that the product manager has to hit in order to be deemed as successful. Whereas the project manager is not really responsible for the product, but is responsible for the execution of the projects that the product manager has defined. Now, to execute this successfully, the project manager plans the execution and defines a budget within which he needs to work on. So essentially, a product manager is someone who owns the problem statements, does user research, defines what features need to be made, builds a product roadmap, and once the product or feature is implemented, does the analytics on top of it to understand what's working and what's not working. Whereas a project manager is in charge of the execution of these product features, and they're also responsible for the quality of the implementation. We'll end this video by discussing some of the skill differences between a product manager and a project manager. So a product manager is typically someone who's very comfortable with chaos, can ask the right questions to the right stakeholders to figure out the best solutions for the product. This person is obviously very problem solving oriented. Whereas a project manager is someone who's more methodical and is basically a great planner and very execution focused. Now, based on what skills you have, you can decide whether you want to get into product management or project management. But rest assured, both of these fields are extremely lucrative. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If it was helpful, please hit the like button, comment, and let me know what you think about these product management videos that I've been doing and what more you would like to see in the future. Subscribe if you haven't so far, and if you have, thank you so much.